Anybody know what kind of bird this is? He's in this tree every once in a while, and I can never see this bird. I can't see him now either. As soon as he sees me, he's going to take off flying. Where are you, little birdie? He could be on one of the wires right above my head on the terrace roof, and it just sounds like he's over there because it's echoing off the wall. What? I guess he heard me talking. I don't know. Oops. I hear a robin over there. Okay. He's gone again. Every time I try to find where that chirping is coming from, he disappears. And that's unfortunate. I would like to see what he looks like, you know. Anyway, that's me from here, Guatemala. Guatemala, living in San Antonio, Aguascalientes, my modern Mayan mini metropolis. Okay, have a good day.